Mastering the semicolon, your secret weapon for better writing. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're tackling a fascinating and sometimes confusing piece of punctuation, the semicolon. Semicolons are incredibly useful. They help us communicate complex thoughts more clearly. So, let's dive in and understand how to use them effectively. A semicolon, winking face, is a punctuation mark that's used to connect closely related ideas. It helps in enhancing the readability of a sentence, making it more understandable for the reader. Now, you might be thinking, when should I use a semicolon? That leads us to our next section. There are two primary scenarios where semicolons are most useful. 1. Linking closely related independent clauses. When you have two independent sentences that are closely linked, you can use a semicolon instead of a period. Full stop. This makes your writing flow better. For example, I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go to the concert. 2. Organizing complex lists. When you're dealing with lists that have internal punctuation, like commas, semicolons can be used to separate items and avoid confusion. For example, I have lived in New York, New York, Los Angeles, California, and Dallas, Texas. Even though semicolons are powerful, they're often misused. Let's go through some common mistakes. 1. Avoid using a semicolon with a conjunction. We usually don't use semicolons with coordinating conjunctions like and, or, but. Instead, use a comma. For instance, I have a big test tomorrow, so I can't go to the concert. 2. Don't use a semicolon with a dependent clause. A semicolon should always connect two independent clauses. For example, I have a big test tomorrow. Therefore, I can't go to the concert. Here, therefore, I can't go to the concert isn't a complete sentence, so it's incorrect to use a semicolon. To make the most of this lesson, let's do some exercises. 1. Identify correct usage. Look at the following sentences. Which use the semicolon correctly? A. I love to read. I hate to write. B. I have a big test tomorrow, and I can't go to the concert. C. I have a big test tomorrow, so I can't go to the concert. 2. Use semicolons in your writing. Try writing some sentences of your own using semicolons. Remember the rules we've just learned. We've just learned how to master the semicolon, an amazing tool that can make your writing more sophisticated and clear. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep using semicolons in your writing and you'll become a pro in no time. Happy learning, and until next time.